Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KtrKathir. This is a super awesome tutorial about code refactoring of alert controller. Before we start the tutorial video, here I am having a sample for this tutorial. Likewise, here is a single button or a multiple button or action sheet. This alert or action sheet will be shown as by single line of function. Let's dive into our tutorial. Here I am created a custom action by title and also style. Then in here this is a style as a alert action style, and I am initting the custom action with params like title as a string and style as a alert action style. By default this is a setting as a default value, and assigning this params like self dot style as a style. Then I am creating a static buttons for frequently using in our alert, so that creating a OK action. This is a custom action and creating a OK. This is a default style and a static let cancel action, custom action as a init cancel and style as a cancel. Likewise, I am creating a delete or logout action. Likewise, logout, and this is a destructive. Likewise, the custom action was created successfully. Now I'm going to extension of UIViewController and creating a new function, that is a show alert function. Instead of that, passing a params like a alert title and a message and a alert style as a UIAlertController dot style. This is a default as a alert. Then actions, here is nothing, custom actions and a completion handler. If your user was tapped any button, you will pass in a completion handler function. Likewise, and also we pass a param like a action, that is a custom action. Now I am implementing the function of a show alert, creating a alert controller by UIAlertController of title as a title and message as a message and alert style present preferred style is this, and self dot presenting the alert controller by and animating true and completion is nil. Now I am looping the actions by action in actions and creating a alert controller action, alert actions as alert action as UI alert action of title as a action title and the style as a action dot style, and the handling the action as a action tapped, and I am completion in our completion handler. We will pass the action. Likewise, after that we have to add the actions to our alert controller, so that adding the alert actions to our alert controller like this. Now if you pass a multiple multiple custom actions means that will be loop in the for loop and add to our alert controller. Likewise, I'm here I am showing the going to show a alert by this way. In viewed it appear super dot viewed it appear as animation animated, then show alert by app name as a alert refactor and a customized alert function. This is a message, and here I am setting the OK button and a cancel button. In the completion handler, I am printing the which button was tapping action dot title. Likewise, now I am running the project. Likewise, the alert was showing the title and a message, everything. When I am cancelling the alert, the title was printing likewise. This is one way, which means we will be customize the function, or else we can be create another function for a for frequently using, so that function show alert by title and message as a strings. Here I am calling the this function. Likewise, title and a message and the action as a OK, and the completion handler is nothing. If we need, we can pass it here. If we need, we can pass like a completed as a escaping. Instead of that, we just passing if we need something to do instead of the action, so that completed. If you don't need, we will set as a nil. Likewise, we have to check before that completion handler. So that if completed is a completed, completed as a completed, we are completing this completing this completion, calling the completion handler. That's enough. Here I am again calling the same function. Before that, I am creating 3 buttons for showing a demo, so that I am creating a new button in a storyboard. I am copy and pasting 3 times, and I am embedded with the stack and setting the constraint for the stack. Then here we can change our button name as OK alert. Then this is a delete alert, and this is a logout sheet. Okay, and this is a fill and fill equal, and the space is a 20 likewise. And I'm creating an IB outlet action for the each buttons like this way. OK action, and cancel action, and the last logout action. Here the OK action is nothing but we are created a second function, right? We will call the second function, that's an like alert refactor as a title. OK alert. If you need to handle anything, you can be print a value, you can do here like OK alert tapped likewise. And if you need a cancel button, you have to customize that alert controller by this way. If you need a action sheet for this, you have to change show alert with style everything, so that I'm setting this in a alert refactor as a title, and a logout a message as a are you sure want to log out, and this style as a action sheet. Then in our function we will be custom actions like a logout action and also cancel action. If the user tapped that logout action, we will be checked like this, like action dot title double equal to, that is a custom action logout action dot title. Likewise, I'm printing user tapped logout action. Likewise, we don't need a viewDidAppear function. Likewise, we can be customize our alert code refactor, because of we don't need to type multiple lines of code and handling everything by this more than 10 to 15 lines for each alert, so that this one single line function will be very helpful to you in your project for frequently showing the alert, like handling the alert everything. Now I am running the project. Let's check what's happening here. Now the three buttons are showing. When I tap the OK alert, the OK alert was showing. When I tap the OK, here we are printing the OK alert tapped, so that the console we got the value. And also when they click the delete alert, we setting as a cancel. And also I think we didn't use the delete action, so that we can customize this delete action by this way. uh, Delete, and the style is destructive, and we passing the values likewise. I'm running again. Likewise, you can be customize each button, and also use the static button in a same function. That will be more helpful and also more easy customizable. It's give a very good code refactoring things. Like the delete button was showing right now. When I delete the button tapped, the console was printed very goodly. And also cancel. When I click the logout sheet, the sheet was opening. And also when I tap the logout button, the user tapped the logout action, the print was consoled. Likewise, the alert controller code refactoring is very easy and also very reusable. We don't need to uh, we don't need to code every time for this alert controller function and printing the and presenting that alert controller for in each view controller. Here we create single alert controller in a single place, and we will be code reusing for in your project. I think this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Support me on Facebook, YouTube, and WordPress blog. Thank you so much. Thank you.